Vietnam is one of Asia's fastest-growing consumer markets, with nearly 100 million people eager for international products. For foreign investors, opening a retail shop here provides direct access to local customers. But the process requires meeting strict legal conditions under Decree 09/2018 and international commitments. Foreign investors cannot directly run a retail shop as individuals. You must first establish a foreign-invested enterprise in Vietnam. This company will then be legally authorized to apply for the necessary business licenses. Under Decree 09/2018, most goods are open for retail, but some are strictly prohibited. Foreign-invested companies cannot sell rice, sugar, recorded media, books, newspapers, or lubricants. Items banned nationwide, such as weapons, narcotics, and obscene cultural products, are completely off-limits. Sensitive products like pharmaceuticals, cigarettes, and alcohol require additional licenses. To operate, you need two key licenses. The first is a business license, which allows retail distribution and specifies your permitted goods. The second is a retail outlet establishment license, which authorizes each physical shop location. For your first shop, conditions are straightforward: a sound financial plan, compliance with tax obligations, and a shop location consistent with local planning and zoning laws. Opening a second or additional shop may trigger the Economic Needs Test, ENT. Authorities will review market demand, the number of existing shops, and potential impacts on traditional markets. ENT can be waived if your shop is under 500 square meters and located in a shopping center. When registering, you must declare your business scope under Vietnam's VSIC codes. This usually includes retail distribution of goods, plus specific product categories. Some goods, such as alcohol, petroleum, and pharmaceuticals, are conditional and need extra approvals. Vietnam does not set a fixed minimum capital. However, your declared capital must match the scale of your plan. In practice, retail companies often declare between $50,000 and $500,000 USD. More may be required for multiple outlets or conditional goods. Licensing authorities also review whether your capital is realistic. Selecting the right site is crucial. It must comply with urban planning and zoning rules. Your first location is easier to approve, but additional ones may require ENT. Shops and malls under 500 square meters are often exempt. The process begins with the Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, confirming your right to invest, which usually takes 2 to 3 weeks. Next is the Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC, similar to incorporation, issued in about 1 week. Together, these register your company. Once registered, you must complete post-licensing tasks, making a company seal, registering for taxes, and opening a bank account to receive capital contributions. Then apply for the retail business license and a retail outlet establishment license for your shop. At LTS Law, we guide foreign investors through every step of setting up retail shops in Vietnam. From company establishment, licensing, and ENT procedures to ongoing compliance, our bilingual legal team ensures your business meets all legal requirements quickly and efficiently. Don't let complex regulations slow your retail expansion. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.vn to book a free consultation. Your retail shop will be set up legally, smoothly, and ready to serve Vietnam's dynamic consumer market.